So you might be running into a problem on your particular Instagram account, which keeps telling you that, sorry, there was a problem with your particular request, and you're going to have to basically try to figure out how to fix this issue. Now, when you get this pop-up, there's a couple of different ways to go and fix this. The first thing being, you want to just see exactly what you were trying to do. What were you trying to do on your particular, Instagram application in order for you to even run into this problem? If you're going through on your particular account and if for some reason you were logging in or you were doing whatever, you just want to make sure that, whatever you're doing, just try it again and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Sometimes if you're logging into your account or you're posting something or whatever, and you run out of internet or your internet connection goes bad or you move away from your hotspot or whatever, that can also sometimes cause an issue as well. So you may just want to go and make sure your internet connection is perfectly fine, which for a lot of people, this might be the issue you're running into. So what you're going to want to do here is go inside of your internet connection settings or your Wi-Fi connection, whatever, and all you're going to want to do here is double check you have a proper internet connection set up and that your Wi-Fi and your internet is perfectly working, which for a lot of people that might be the issue. So just go through and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now if that doesn't end up working, you may want to see if Instagram is actually down. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of these types of websites that's basically going to show you what's up and what's down. And all you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to go through and basically just, essentially just see if Instagram is down. Now you can see for me, Instagram was just down not that long ago. So all I would have to really do here in this case is just wait it out until Instagram basically fixes their stuff. You can see right here, there's a little like spike down arrow. That basically means Instagram was starting to get better and it's starting to work again. So all you're going to have to do there is get back on Instagram and that's it. If that's still not working, you can always make your way over into your app store, your Apple App Store, your Google Play Store. And you're just going to want to go ahead and basically search up Instagram. And you want to go and update your Instagram application, which can end up fixing the problem as well. So those are a few different ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.